Hello guys, welcome back to Techiraj YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you that how you can translate English into Igbo or in any other languages. So before getting further, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and that click on that bell icon so that you'll receive all my latest update. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the Play Store and then you have to install one application. The name of the application is Google Translate. You just type Google Translate and it will appear on the first rank. You just install it and then open the application. So right after opening the application, you'll get an interface like this. So what you have to do is, you have to click on the text bar and then type the word you want to translate it in your native language. Okay, so now I'll just type LIFE, life, and then I'll click on the arrow button. So I'm translating in Afrikaans, right? Afrikaans language. So it is LEWE, Liwi. You can also pronounce you can also know the pronunciations of this particular word clicking on this on this sound icon. So if you want to translate it on your own native language, then you have to click on the top right corner. As you can see, Afrikaans, right? So you just select your language. Okay, if you want to select your own language, Nepali, then the Nepali, select the Nepali. And then if you want to select Hindi, then you just type Hindi, then it will appear on it. Okay, so whatever your native language is, you just click on this right corner and then select your language. Okay, so there are alternative functions available, facilities available. As you can see, camera, handwriting, conversation, voice. If your keyboard is not working, then you can search by the voice, and then if you want to translate conversation, then you can just speak the conversation and it will translate in your own native language. Okay, and when you click on the left menu bar, then you can save the words also. You just click on this star button, star icon, and then go to the fresh book, then the word is saved here, as you can see. So this is how you can translate from English to any other languages which is available on this application. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button and then click on the subscribe button if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.